How to fix Windows cannot open the folder. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap open. And once you open the settings, you want to go ahead and tap on system. Inside system, scroll below and then tap on about. Inside about section, you want to go ahead and know your system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So once you're done, head back to your home screen and then open any browser. Inside the browser, go ahead and search for 7-zip and then tap on download. Now you want to go ahead and download according to your system type. In my case, it was 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the first one. So once it is downloaded, go ahead and tap on File Explorer and simply go ahead and right-click on the file and then simply tap on Open With. Go ahead and tap on Choose Another App, and just like so, you want to go ahead and select 7-zip. And once you select it, you'll then be able to open that very folder. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.